You played right into my trap. Destroy him! You've met your match, Buzz Lightyear. This is the end. Clever? What? Curse you, Buzz Lightyear! Stop him! Oh dear. That's not good. No! It's not possible! You win this round, Buzz Lightyear. I've been looking for you. You! Over here! Get over here immediately! Greetings! Oh goody, it's you. Well done. You have exceeded my expectations. I appreciate your efforts. That was beyond satisfactory. You are a champion. Curse you all! Fear me! I am unfamiliar with this planet and its inhabitants. Your presence annoys me. Let the destruction begin. Bow before the mighty Zurg. Hello, square person. Where do you think you're going? You should not be here. Most terrifying. Your presence makes me uncomfortable. Frightening. My, what a cute little thing. I believe you're called cute. Your cuteness is overwhelming. Most impressive. Your attire is quite nice, actually. You look good enough to join my forces. You are most unsettling. Yeah, no one should look like that. Why have you done this to yourself? I enjoy your comical attire. That was my amused laugh, not my evil one. Ha! You wear funny things. What? Oh! 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 Ah! So, we meet again, Buzz Lightyear, for the last time. Nice try. I'm warning you. Your pitiful attempts bore me. Ha! Your laser is useless against me. This force field will put an end to your foolishness. My blaster, it's jammed. Why are those Zurgbots attacking your town? If you don't defeat them, my Zurgbots will make quick work of your town. My Zurgbots are attacking. Well, what are you going to do about it? My Zurgbots, you defeated them? You defeated my Zergbots? I suppose it's for the best. You defended the town against the Zergbots. I applaud your valor. Retrieve the laser pistol. Where is the laser pistol? How hard can it be to locate a laser pistol? Get the laser pistol, immediately! Well, it seems there's a reason you're in charge. Congratulations! Don't let it go to your head. You have proven to be a powerful ally. This town is clearly behind the times. Futurize it. The future is now, but you wouldn't know it by looking around here. Futurize this place immediately! I command you, customize this town with all the flourishes and trimmings of the future. Make this town the city of tomorrow. It must be customized with futuristic accessories. Apprehend the renegade alien. Incarcerate him. That renegade alien is really getting on my cybernetic nerves. Seize him. Find the renegade alien and impound him. Have you successfully located and jailed the renegade alien? No? What are you waiting for? Why does this always happen? Aha! Take this! There we go! Worthless contraption! Victory will be mine! Your assistance is needed for another mission. Some of my Zergbots have malfunctioned. They're attacking the town! Well, what are you waiting for? Rogue Zergbots are on a rampage! Why aren't you doing something about those Zergbots? Do you have any idea what an attacking Zergbot is capable of? Out of my way! Behold the fury of my road rage! Speed limits bow before me! The mighty Zerg yields to no one! Surrender to the mighty Zerg! All yield before Zerg! Vehicle driving is no challenge for me! Ha-ha! Ha-ha! Yeehaw! Blast! An emperor never asks for directions. There! Enjoy my galactic dust! I'm the reason these vehicles have bumpers. New car smell infuriates my senses. Do I look dashing? This is so relaxing. Ah, I approve of this convertible. Easy peasy. Destroy Buzz Lightyear. I will never tire of this. You'll never defeat me. Excellent shot. Well done. Take that. I always conquer. Come to me, my prey. This makes me almost happy. This is the end for you. So, we meet again for the last time. Tremble before my awesome might. Surrender, Buzz Lightyear. You are no match for me, Buzz Lightyear. Ah, come on. What is with this thing? This vehicle complements my omnipotence. You and your friends are doomed. The galaxy will tremble before Zerg. I have you now. Impressive, but it won't save you this time.